Facing your friend with good eye contact while socializing? Good. Holding your phone while interacting? Bad. Not knowing how to read body language can be fatal to any interaction, let alone build a relationship. Hi, I'm C-Dang and I'm here to spread social awareness because I believe it's a key to positive change. In this video, we're going to talk about body language, part 4 of a series called The Art of Social Interactions. Most of us can agree that body language is a complex topic. So complex, I may need to make a series based on body language alone. If you haven't, please check out my past video where I talk about the art of listening and how active listening can make us better decision makers. So what is body language? Body language is a language without spoken words. It is called non-verbal communication. We've all had situations where no matter how we say it, the message couldn't be interpreted the way we wanted it to. So we use body language to help support our views with gestures and expressions to help deliver our message. This is where we pay close attention to interactions with others. Be aware of what they say, how they say it, and what they do. Keep in mind, it's not just about watching other people's body language. You might not realize what your own body is communicating. When your body is cold and standoffish, people are unlikely to approach you, even if you want them to. That's why it's so important to be aware of your body language and be present in the moment. Let's talk about the 2 main points of body language. 1. Understanding the other person's body language. As stated earlier, body language is a complex topic. There are probably hundreds of different signals our body can send. Luckily, we don't have to learn it all. There are only 2 signals we can learn now, which are comfort and discomfort. Comfort signals tells you the person is feeling good. It means they like the person they're talking to and enjoy what they are doing. Discomfort signals tells you something is wrong. It means something is bothering them, they're not happy or enjoy what they're doing. Think of it as the green and red light, a great example by ImproveYourSocialSkills.com. When you get the I'm feeling comfortable signal from your partner, it means you got the green light. You can relax, enjoy your interactions, and keep doing whatever you were doing. When you get the I'm feeling uncomfortable signal, it means you got the red light. Try to learn what caused them to feel uncomfortable and see if you can remove the source of that feeling. 2. Your body language may shape who you are. Social psychologist Amy Cuddy was amazing on TED Talks and spoke about how you can boost your confidence with power poses, which I highly recommend watching. Power poses express non-verbal expressions of power, which affects the people's feelings, behavior, and hormone levels. For instance, high power poses are poses that are expansive, open, and space-occupying. This indicates the person is confident. Standing in a position of confidence, even when we don't feel it, can boost feelings of confidence and could impact our chances for success. Whether with low power poses does a complete opposite. We feel powerless. We would close up and make ourselves small. Amy and her team put together an experiment for a job interview where she had some interviewers act with high power poses and others with low power poses. The interviews were filmed and Amy got coders to watch and see who they would hire without the knowledge of the experiment or power poses. Can you guess who these coders chose to hire?
Who?
Interviewers with high power poses. It wasn't based on the context of the interviewer's speech. It was all based on the presence of what they brought to the speech. They were passionate, confident, captivating, and comfortable. So don't fake it until you make it. Fake it until you become it. Here are 3 tricks for positive body language. 1. Posture. This is one of the first things people will notice. It shows how a person carries and present themselves. Stand and walk with confidence. Stomach in, chest out, shoulders back, head held high. 2. Smile. Smiles create an upbeat, positive environment. It's an essential facial expression that shows interest, excitement, or empathy. However, smiles can be overused. Don't walk into a room with a big smile or giggle. It's much more professional if you enter the room first, establish your presence, and then smile. 3. Eye contact. Looking at someone while they talk shows that you're paying attention. Listening with good eye contact not only conveys your interest in others, it also builds trust. Well, that's the end of the video. We've covered how to look at body language signals to see if your partner is comfortable or uncomfortable, and how to use your body language to gain confidence with high power poses. Please help share this video and spread social awareness. The power of self-awareness is vital to any success. So act the person you want to become. Fake it until you become it. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching. I'm C-Dang. I'll catch you next time. YouTubers. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. There's a button below that says subscribe, or you can click on my picture right here.